season 13, and it's time for a new look on set. I love the way this living room already looks, but it's been 6 years, so it's time for an update, and I'm up for the challenge. So here's the game plan. We have to clear out the space, then paint the walls, and I have a few cool little tricks and wall treatments that are gonna make this space look amazing. One of the biggest changes you can have is from painting a wall. We are going complete 180 on the color wheel. Lighting plays such a big role on the color that you choose. In the studio, you cannot believe the amount of lights in here. I need to make sure that the color I'm choosing is going to read well on camera with a zillion different lights up. I got all my wood from Lowe's stained and ready to go. Now the guys from Knockout Renovation are ready to put them up. When I design a space, I love texture and I love organic elements. I used a light gray stain on a whole bunch of slats of wood so that we can add texture to the wall. It's gonna look so good. Design elements like this are a breeze. I have this peel and stick wood that I'm gonna use to create an outdoor patio. This is a set, so we have to add dimension, and this whole design happens in layers. So this is the perfect touch. I dig it. Things are moving smoothly, the paint is up, the wood's on the wall. No job is off limits. We gotta get this place cleaned up. It's time to start laying out some of this gorgeous furniture from Rachael Home, and then I get to do all my little finishing touches with the accessories. My goal for this living room is to make sure that it's not only comfortable, but it's also chic. Here's a little tip. The bigger the rug, the bigger the room feels. I chose this couch because it has sleek lines, but it is so comfortable. When you're designing your space, make it your own. Don't bother with showrooms that have matchy-matchy all the way. Mismatch. It makes it personal to your own taste. So go ahead, throw in a chair that doesn't match. As long as you love it, that's all that matters. I have all of my accessories gathered up from hayneedle.com. When you're accessorizing your space, a general rule of thumb is to go odd. Not odd as in weird, but odd as in odd numbers. I am pumped about the new look for the set. I can't wait for you guys to see it.
So I'm here with my buddy Tanya.
First of all, how exciting. Do you guys love the new set?
Yeah, really pretty.
I was really inspired by a few things. One of them, obviously, your furniture, which we'll talk about. But you just redid your kitchen, and I love the colors from there. So I wanted to pull that in here so everything felt cohesive. Back over here, that's where all your big, grand celebrities come out from, like Oprah. And so we wanted to make sure it was as grand as the guests. What do you think of the texture?
Light fixture.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
And then the texture, and then, of course.
Yeah, this is from our Austin line. I spend a lot of time in Austin, Texas. It's another home away from home for me. And I had a lot of fun designing this. There's a lot of 70s vibe going on with this.
Super chic.
And a mixture of texture between leather and brass. And I love that you fit one of our desks in here. We make that brass strap in a console, which I use as an ottoman.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a little bench, so kids can sit on it.
I know every piece that you have. I love
Everything
all
we
of
make,
it.
we try and make multi-purpose.
Look at the detail here.
I love it.
The bronze
Such
finish
a
is like
sexy
antique
chair.
brass. It's gorgeous. How about the wood on the walls too? That was another detail that we
I love
added.
this effect. Tanya came up with this brilliant effect on the wall. That's cheap, that's cheerful, anybody could do it.
Yes. If we go over here,
I love the big ottoman too. You lead the way, you lead the way.
You know what, I wanted to do this so that people could come in, sit down, and kick their feet up.
And you can play games on this, family game night. You could put food down on it. It's just really versatile. It's extra seating for parties. And I love this sofa. Love.
It is the most comfortable sofa
And you can't
ever.
stain it. Everything that I do, because I live with a 70-pound pit bull, is Scotch guarded within an inch of its life.